Okay, I found another bank of these things. It explains why there's 216 elevators. They put 4 in one bank. And look at that lantern. These are more elevators at the shops at Hudson Yards. 5. Oh, it is unlocked. Cool. The shops at Hudson Yards in Hudson Yards, New York. %, momentum. 100%. Look out there, there's like more restaurants. What's back here? There's nothing, probably service corridor. I'm not trying any freights or services in the heart of New York. Yeah, these are 100% momentum. These are super, super nice. What's the capacity on these things? 5,000 pound capacity. Elevator 204. That is incredible. Oh, these have a traditional call cancel button. And I just electric static myself to the panel. Cool. Alright, let's get a silent trip up. Here we go. God damn it.
¿Cuántas horas vamos a esperar en la Florida cuando llegamos? Cuidado, déjate de estar dándote vueltas. Me vine así, me quise dar la vuelta a ponerme acá. Dice el precio, no te des vuelta. ¿Qué pasa, comadre?
Oh, let's get a silent trip. 1 floor up. That is a cool lantern. What floor?
1 is fine. Or cool shoes.
Thanks. I guess that lady got off on the wrong floor. Safe at classic levels. Bella. Oh, nice. ThyssenKrupp controller. Oh, there goes that one.